Hey guys, I am Kristin O'Connor, the co-author of the Blood Type Diet Cookbooks with Dr. Peter D'Adamo. We decided to do a series for you guys on the blood type diet, but I wanted to kick it off by talking about how I approach the diet with my clients. I've been a private chef for 10 years and I always put my clients on the blood type diet because I definitely see the best results. But typically I see type A's and type O's. Those are the most common blood types, and they have total opposite reactions to food. A lot of that has to do with the acidity in the gut. Type A's have really low acidity where type O's have high. So when you take food like red meat, for example, when a type A eats red meat, that acidity doesn't help it break down, which can lead to a lot of adverse implications like heart issues or cancers. Whereas type O really needs that acidity, needs to put that acidity to use. So you need to eat red meat to help prevent your array of health issues, which would be GI and all of that kind of thing. So I hope you guys stay tuned and check out our series. I can't wait to share it with you.